Hi there, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to start off rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem going to be attempted today is reverse only letters 917. Given a string, reverse the string according to the following rules. All the characters that are not English letters remain in the same position, and all the English letters, uppercase or lowercase, should be reversed. Return S after reversing it. The string is between 1 and 100, and it contains ASCII characters between the range 33 and 122, and it does not contain backslashes. So, I'm going to go over to my notes and just go through some ideas. So I think we should iterate over the string. If we find a letter, add it to a list, and then we're going to reverse the list of letters, then iterate over the string again. If we find a letter, append an item from the reversed list and go to next item in the list. And then we're going to say if we find or we just say otherwise add to output. And then we're just going to return output. So let's take this and we'll try and take this code and make it work. So we need to get our letters list. We need to iterate over the string, so for character in S, or we'll just say for char in S. Now, is there a way to check if it's a letter? So we can use is alpha, but we only want letters. Okay, as alpha, okay. Dot as alpha. We'll do letters dot append character, else letters, or no, we don't do anything else. And then do reverse letters is equal to letters reversed. And then what we're going to do is iterate over again. So we'll have like an index counter, start it at 0. I'm going to iterate over the string, so for character in S again. If it's an alpha numerical or just if it's an alpha character, so if it's a letter, we're going to do output dot append reversed underscore letters at index. Else we're going to do output dot append character, and then we're going to return the character, or the output, sorry. We also need to define output up here. And Hopefully I didn't submit that. Meant to run it there. So, oh, that did submit. That's annoying. Letters is not defined. Did you mean letters? Yes. Reverse letter, reverse letters. Character is not... Okay, so it's this. Just some syntax errors, I think. Okay. We didn't increment the index. Okay, so the only thing that we need to do is join up this list at the end. Forgot about that. Hopefully this fixes it. And these test cases get accepted. Let's hit submit. And it's accepted. So thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment. Maybe you had some other solution that was a bit more simple or efficient or just different. But I love discussing these problems and their solutions. So yeah, thank you once again for watching and I hope you have a great day.